So after doing the start and the pause menu, what if you're thinking you want a sidebar? So let's do a sidebar menu. So in order to do that, in order to add a sidebar to your game, you want to do this. The green flag, of course, then forever, then if else, if then else rather, then you want to go to operators. All right. So this is going to be somehow automatic, mouse X, then negative 220. Then you want to go to looks, show, then broadcast. Uh, let's just say broadcast start game. Then else should be hiding this menu. Hide broadcast start game. So basically, if you go here, it shows the start button, as you can see. So that's how you create a sidebar. You can easily modify this code. The important thing here is you already have the root code for the sidebar. So that's how easy it is to create a sidebar in Scratch to improve your game. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. This is your boy Josh of Basic Value. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.